Welcome to this session on Learning Outcome 2, Understanding the Principles of User Experience and Domain Context for Data Analysis. Today, we'll explore how user experience and domain context directly shape the way data analysis is designed, interpreted, and delivered. Effective data analysis isn't just about numbers, it's about making insights clear, relevant, and accessible to the people who need them. By focusing on user needs and avoiding unnecessary jargon, we can create tools and reports that are not only accurate, but truly useful. Placing the user at the center is crucial in designing data analysis tools. Understanding user needs and preferences leads to better solutions. User research helps gather insights for design improvements. Feedback sessions refine tools based on real user interactions. This approach ensures user-friendly and effective tools. Data analysis should yield actionable insights that support decision-making. Highlighting trends in dashboards aids this goal. Recommendations should be clear and based on data insights. Effective results drive informed actions. This ensures analysis outcomes are meaningful and impactful. Applying user experience principles ensures tools are efficient and user-friendly. Consistency and feedback are key in design. Immediate feedback confirms user actions, enhancing experience. Consistent design language across tools is vital. These principles lead to better user experiences. Data tools should be easy to navigate and visually appealing. Interactive elements enhance user interaction. Drag-and-drop interfaces allow custom report creation. Color coding highlights important data points. This design approach makes analysis intuitive and engaging. Using plain language ensures accessibility for all users. Jargon can confuse non-experts, hindering understanding. Simple explanations replace technical terms. Tooltips and help sections clarify complex concepts. Avoiding jargon enhances clarity and user comprehension. Data should be presented without bias or preconceived notions. Diverse representation in datasets is crucial. Avoid assumptions based on demographics. Objective analysis ensures fair results. This approach prevents stereotyping and promotes inclusivity. Data presentation should be clear and straightforward. Simplifying complex data is essential. Infographics and summaries convey key points effectively. Visual aids like charts highlight main findings. This approach makes data comprehensible to a broad audience. Analysis tools must adapt to various user needs and contexts. Customization enhances user satisfaction. Filterable dashboards meet diverse requirements. Adjustable data views offer flexibility. This design ensures tools are versatile and user-friendly. Domain knowledge bridges raw data and meaningful insights. It provides context for understanding data correctly. In business, it aligns analysis with strategic goals. It helps in setting objectives and formulating hypotheses. This knowledge is crucial for effective data analysis. The business understanding phase is key in data mining. It involves defining objectives from a business perspective. Domain knowledge identifies relevant problems. It aids in setting realistic objectives. This phase aligns analysis with business needs. The evaluation phase assesses data mining results before deployment. Domain knowledge ensures accurate interpretation. It validates models and aligns them with business logic. This phase checks the applicability of results. It ensures insights meet business objectives. Users generate data through interactions with systems. Domain knowledge helps understand data context. It identifies relevant data points and ensures quality. Anomalies are recognized and explained within the domain. This understanding is crucial for accurate analysis. Users consume data through reports and dashboards. Domain knowledge tailors analysis to user needs. It provides actionable insights relevant to users. Engaging presentations enhance user understanding. This approach makes data insights practical and useful. Effective interaction with stakeholders is key in data projects. Domain knowledge aids in gathering requirements. It ensures communication of findings in meaningful terms. Building trust with stakeholders is crucial. This expertise enhances project success. Data analysis influences user behavior through insights. Personalization increases engagement and satisfaction. Targeted marketing improves conversion rates. Behavioral nudges encourage positive actions. These strategies shape user behavior effectively. Predictive analytics uses historical data for future predictions. It enables proactive engagement with users. Businesses optimize operations based on predictions. This approach ensures better service and availability. Predictive analytics leads to informed decision-making. In conclusion, we have learned that understanding user experience and domain context is essential in data analysis. These principles help ensure that tools are intuitive, engaging, and truly effective. When we focus on user needs and communicate without unnecessary jargon, data analysis becomes more accessible, meaningful, and impactful. Should you have any questions, you're welcome to message us on WhatsApp at 07484361688. See you at the next session. Thank you for your time.